The Eiffel Tower is a famous landmark located in Paris, France. It was built for the 1889 World's Fair and was initially intended to be a temporary installation. However, the tower's popularity led to its permanent preservation, and it has since become an iconic symbol of Paris and France. Designed by Gustave Eiffel, the tower stands at 324 meters, 1,063 feet, tall and consists of 3 levels for visitors. The first and second levels can be accessed by stairs or elevator, while the third level is only accessible by elevator. The tower's construction took just over 2 years and was completed in 1889. It was the tallest man-made structure in the world at the time and held that title until the completion of the Chrysler Building in New York City in 1930. Today, the Eiffel Tower remains a popular tourist attraction and an important cultural landmark in France. It attracts millions of visitors each year who come to admire its unique design and stunning views of